Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Pixel 10a and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, make sure that you've got the internet connection, and I highly recommend using Wi-Fi instead of mobile data, and then we can enter the Play Store. Of course, you will be able to use the Play Store the way I am using it right now. If you've got your Google account added to the device, you can do it after entering the Play Store, or you can do it using the settings. If you're not sure how to do it, you can check our tutorial of how to add or remove a Google account in this specific device. And here, let me enter my password, and I will come back in a second. Alright, so this is what you will see after entering the Play Store. So now we have to tap on the circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Then let's go to Manage Apps and Device and tap on Updates Available. And as you can see here, we've been transferred to the full list of available updates, and basically it depends what you wish to do. It's up to you completely, because you can either tap on Update All and update all of the listed apps, or simply choose the apps from the list and tap on the update next to the specific app, and this is how it works basically. After tapping on Update, your device will show you the process of downloading the updates, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.